If you want to buy stylish clothes, trendy shoes and your favorite brands at a great price, then you need to download the Zalando app. Open the App Store or the Google Play Store, search for Zalando, tap on install, and once it's finished, open Zalando. When opening Zalando the first time, you are going to accept or adjust the cookies, and if you already have a Zalando account, you can just log in. Since I don't have one yet, I'm gonna register now. You can use your email address, your Google account, Facebook or Apple ID. I'm gonna go for Google. After logging in with my Google account, I'm gonna type in my first name and my last name. And then we just tap on register. Your registration is about to finish. In the next page, they are going to ask something to tell about yourself. For example, what you are mostly interested in, women's fashion or men's fashion. Then you can also decide if you want to get some emails from Zalando and if you want to try the free Zalando Plus program, which you can use to collect points and earn rewards. Then just tap on continue, and now you can just skip this process or check if you find some brands you want to follow. Once you followed or selected your brands, tap on done, and now you can also accept and turn on notifications if you like. And then you should see a small pop-up window where they're asking where to start. Since I'm a man, I'm gonna start with men's fashion. The interface of Zalando is very simple and easy to use. You can just use the magnifier icon right here on the bottom and then just type in what you need in the search box on top. Don't forget to use the filter option right here so you can get exactly what you need. You can continue to set up your profile and find your favorite items right here. You can go to your profile, your account, and you can see the most important features right here under your account. You can see the feature Zalando Plus, you can manage your orders and returns, and you can even add your body measurements to find the best fitting clothes. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.